The Magical Closet Adventure.
魔法衣橱大冒险。
Lily opened her old wooden closet and found a glowing scarf hanging inside.
莉莉打开她的旧木衣橱，发现里面挂着一条会发光的围巾。
Lily opened her old wooden closet and found a glowing scarf hanging inside. As soon as she touched the scarf, all the shirts, pants, and skirts began to tremble.
当她一碰到围巾，所有的衬衫、裤子和裙子都开始颤动。
As soon as she touched the scarf, all the shirts, pants, and skirts began to tremble. A tiny sock jumped out and shouted, "Welcome to the land of clothes."
一只小小的袜子跳出来，大叫：“欢迎来到衣物王国。”
A tiny sock jumped out and shouted, "Welcome to the land of clothes." Lily gasped as a fancy dress floated toward her and bowed politely.
一件华丽的洋装飘过来，还礼貌地向她鞠躬。
Lily gasped as a fancy dress floated toward her and bowed politely. A brave jacket marched forward like a soldier.
一件勇敢的夹克像士兵一样大步走来。
A brave jacket marched forward like a soldier. Beside it, a shiny pair of boots stomped proudly on the floor.
它旁边，一双亮晶晶的靴子在地上自豪地踏步。
Beside it, a shiny pair of boots stomped proudly on the floor. Suddenly, a silky hat spun in the air, saying, "We need your help."
突然，一顶丝滑的帽子在空中旋转，说：“我们需要你的帮忙。”
Suddenly, a silky hat spun in the air, saying, "We need your help. The evil washing machine has sucked away our gloves and belts."
邪恶的洗衣机把我们的手套和皮带都吸走了。
The evil washing machine has sucked away our gloves and belts, and even our queen's magic necklace and earrings are gone, cried a pair of pajamas.
甚至我们女王的魔法项链和耳环也不见了，一套睡衣哭喊着。
And even our queen's magic necklace and earrings are gone, cried a pair of pajamas. Lily tightened the glowing scarf around her neck.
莉莉把发光的围巾系紧在脖子上。
Lily tightened the glowing scarf around her neck. "Don't worry," she said. "Where is the washing machine hiding?"
别担心，她说，洗衣机躲在哪里？
Don't worry, she said. "Where is the washing machine hiding?" In the dusty laundry room behind the giant coat mountain, whispered a shy T-shirt.
在巨大的大衣衫后面的灰尘洗衣房，一件害羞的 T 恤悄悄说。
In the dusty laundry room behind the giant coat mountain, whispered a shy T-shirt. A pair of sporty sneakers volunteered to guide her.
一双运动球鞋自愿带路。
A pair of sporty sneakers volunteered to guide her. On their way, they met a tired scarf, tangled from fighting the washing machine.
途中，他们遇到一条筋疲力尽、因与洗衣机战斗而打结的围巾。
On their way, they met a tired scarf, tangled from fighting the washing machine. "Be careful," it warned. "It controls wild buttons and flying zippers."
小心，他警告。他还控制着狂暴的纽扣和会飞的拉链。
Be careful, it warned. "It controls wild buttons and flying zippers." At the laundry room door, piles of dirty socks blocked the path.
在洗衣房入口，成堆的脏袜子挡住了去路。
At the laundry room door, piles of dirty socks blocked the path. Lily waved her magical scarf, creating a clean breeze that blew them aside.
莉莉挥动魔法围巾，吹出干净的风，把它们吹开。
Lily waved her magical scarf, creating a clean breeze that blew them aside. Inside, the washing machine spun wildly, guarding stolen clothes, caps, and aprons.
在洗衣房里，洗衣机疯狂旋转，守着一堆被偷来的衣服、帽子和围裙。
Inside, the washing machine spun wildly, guarding stolen clothes, caps, and aprons. Lily wrapped the scarf around the washing machine, calming it until it stopped and gently released all the stolen items.
莉莉把围巾缠住洗衣机，安抚它直到停止运转，温柔地吐出所有被偷走的东西。
Lily wrapped the scarf around the washing machine, calming it until it stopped and gently released all the stolen items. The clothes cheered, and the queen's crown, necklace, and earrings sparkled again.
所有衣物都欢呼起来，女王的皇冠、项链和耳环再次闪闪发亮。
The clothes cheered, and the queen's crown, necklace, and earrings sparkled again.